If you are trying to lose weight, it can get difficult as the results on the weighing scale do not appear magically overnight. However, a regular fitness routine and a healthy diet with portion control are unbreakable mantras that will work in the best ways for you to have lasting weight loss result. To support that and give it some push, try these delicious and healthy weight loss drinks that will boost your metabolism and help to burn fat faster. These weight loss drinks contain simple ingredients that will be already present in your kitchen. These are safe to consume and are no crazy concoctions to lose massive amount of kilos overnight. These drinks are prepared without any artificial sugar or too much salt, which is why they can also help in improving your blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and bring down your blood pressure. Consuming these drinks can also keep away the hunger pangs, especially those in between meals. Now let's get started. We are making ginger lemon water. Consuming ginger helps to decrease inflammation in your body along with stimulating digestion and suppressing your appetite. These properties can promote weight loss too. Cut 1 inch of ginger into small pieces. Add it to a blender along with 1 cup of cold water. Blend these ingredients until it becomes smooth. Pour the ginger water into a glass. Add half teaspoon roasted cumin powder and squeeze half a lemon. Mix the ingredients well before drinking. That's it. Your weight loss drink is ready. Another drink is with green tea, mint and lemon. Green tea can help boost your metabolism. It also helps in dealing with fluid retention. Catechin in green tea is responsible for breaking down the fat molecules. All you have to do is add 1 cup water and 6-7 mint leaves in a pan. Heat the water until it starts to boil. Switch off the gas and add 2 tablespoons green tea leaves. Allow them to soak for about 5 minutes. Remove the leaves with the help of a strainer and pour it into a cup. Squeeze some lemon juice and mix. Drink while it is hot. At last, we have jeera water. It can help you melt some belly fat. It is an excellent low-calorie drink and will also help to boost your digestion and metabolism. Add a tablespoon of jeera into a glass full of water. Boil it or leave it overnight. Strain the jeera out and drink it after waking up in the morning. You can have this drink every alternate day.